What's up there, YouTubers? Well, it's a perfectly calm day after a storm. There's absolutely no wind going on right now. And I want to do some long-range shooting with the Savage Mark II 22 that I built. This is my first build I've ever done. I did it when I won this gun when I was like 12, so it was free. I was the best Nerf dart champion. But when I was 12, I won this gun for free, so anything that I've done to it, that's why it's been my project gun, is free. I mean, there's no losing money on this gun. Now, this gun, as I was stating, I have pretty much built myself, and this is my learning process as a gun. I tried to make a muzzle loader out of it when I was like early 16, late 15, and I put a cartridge with powder in it, and I tried to stuff a 22 bullet down it, and I exploded this gun. The bolt came back like that, and it was totally locked up. I took it to a local gunsmith, and he couldn't fully fix the problem. And this is basically, it's back to firing. The trigger still works great now, and I can still shoot it as a single shot. So this is my single shot 22, basically. But it's one of the most accurate 22s I've ever fired. That might be due to the Savage Accu trigger. But really, it's just it's my Bolt 22. And I like my semi-automatics, but I like this gun a lot. And we're going to do some long-range shooting today. Alright, so I have my gun set up right there. And the target I am firing it at is 389 yards away from this very position. The ammo I am using is cheap bulk, you're not going to believe this, Remington golden bullets, which I got at a decent price from Dunham Sports here in Red Wing. They're shit bullets, but it's the only thing I can find, and I can find plentiful of them when I'm lucky. So I just got a new box a couple days ago, and I want to take some long-range shots with that. Alright, well, I wanted to show you where this target is. Due to the vegetation, it has overgrown the target at 389 yards from this very position, and I'm going to be shooting at it with a 22 LR and a Savage Mark II. And it's the same target that I hit with my 7.62 by 54R Mosin iron sights. So that's how far it is away. Just so you guys know, it's that little orange target back there. Alrighty, let's take some long-range shots at 389 yards with a 22 LR out of a Savage Mark II using Remington golden bullets. Shooting at the orange plate that is overgrown with vegetation. Hit one. Miss. Subsonic round, miss. Hit. Miss. Hit. Hit again. Another hit. I'm going to go until I miss. That's 3 in a row, folks. Got a shell that didn't eject all the way. Back on target. And that's a miss. Alright. 389 yards with Remington Golden Bullet bulk ammunition out of a Savage Mark II. So, as you guys can see, this 22 is very accurate for what it is. I mean, Nothing Fancy called it a rat gun, I think it was. I think it's far from that. At 389 yards with not even a bull barrel, I was able to hit, by the way, that target is 8 inches wide and 16 inches long. It's a 3/8 inch steel plate. It's the very same one that I shot with my Mosin with iron sights, and that was just a lucky shot, but this is bulk ammunition. Some even go subsonic. That's how unquality regulated they are. And I'm still able to hit that target at 389 yards with a 22 LR, one of the smallest rounds known to man. If you guys like my videos, subscribe below.